everyone. Welcome to another episode of Home Touring with Afi. I am so excited today to introduce you to one of our latest listing in Richmond Hill. I'm sure that all of you heard about location in real estate. And we are here today that I show you that this location has it all. Let me tell you why this location is so important. First of all, we are close to all amenities. Community center is right around the corner, which you can take your kids and enjoy the day in community center and swimming pool.
Another factor that makes this location so desirable is the number of high-ranking schools. Like Bayview Secondary School, it's one of the top 3 schools in whole Canada. We have public school around the walking distance. We have French immersion in 2 minutes walking to the house. Perfect for the family.
Another factor that makes this location so appealing is the GO train. Imagine that you're working in downtown Toronto, rather than taking highway and stay in the highway for 2 hours, you take GO train for 40 minutes, then you can spend more time with your nice family. Last but not the least is Highway 404. Highway 404 is just about 10 minutes drive to get to highway. Therefore, you have everything just around your fingertip, very close, very convenient. Not to forget about the bus route here. Right on the corner, there is a bus stop that it takes you to Finch Subway. How convenient is this location? Let's start touring the house with legal basement apartment. A quick tip for first-time buyer and investors. Having a legal basement apartment will help you to be qualified for more mortgage, because the income of legal basement apartment, it will be added to your actual income. So let's go see the house. If you'd like to view this gorgeous home, give me a call. Bye.